All right, it's Wednesday, May 29th. I'm buying some Apple at 191.11. This is here on the 1 minute chart that I kind of saw move up strongly above the pre-market highs and just kind of pause. So it looks like it wanted to break out here for another leg up. So I bought it at 191.11. We're up to 191.40 right now. So the 15-minute chart, I was kind of anticipating after this big green bar, kind of taking out the pre-market highs and holding that it was going to make a run up and confirm, and that's what it's doing now. This second bar is moving higher. So we go to the daily chart and we see it's just inside price action so far. That met a little selling here in the yesterday near the open. If we go to yesterday's, we see here the middle of this area, it kind of opened up, held, and then went down for the day. But now we're starting immediately higher. So the overall trend's up. I think there's some targets up here above. We have a little pausing. I'm biased overall long on the market. That's a little weak this morning, but this is one of the stronger stocks. So I just wanted to give it a shot on this inside bar and kind of see if we work to the top of that range, scale out, set up an overrisk trade, and then see if maybe we break out. But, ideally, since we're moving up pre-market highs and holding, it seems like we want to kind of move to the top of yesterday's range, see what happens from there. Hopefully, we'll get one push up, kind of pause in this area, pause, second push up type of thing. But it's just the strongest stock that I see out there. So, in the overall up bias, I just wanted to go with it. So moving up nicely now, 191.58, got it at 191.11. So we'll see if, if we can hold the midpoint of this first 15-minute bar and get a little directional movement to the top of that range to start. And maybe if all goes well, we kind of start breaking the weekly high from last week. We're holding the midpoint and working up to some of these targets in the bigger picture to the mid 190s, so that's where it wants to be heading, but it's a little choppy in this zone. Good start to the day though on the 15-minute chart.